and the ball. Very good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you about third lesson, Amar and the ball. So our first section is warm up section. In the warm up section they have asked us some questions. Let us read out the warm up section. There are many games which are played with a ball. Yes. Do you agree? There are so many games which are played with a ball. Yes, we do. So, they have asked us, name some games in which you use a ball. So, what are the games in which we use ball to play that game? Yes, we use ball in the cricket. We use ball in the shuttle, and we use ball in the tennis, and we use ball in the football, basketball, volleyball, isn't it? Yes, we use ball in so many games. So which is your favorite game? So which is your favorite game? That you have to mention here. You have to write the name of your favorite game here. Okay. This is all about our warm up section. Let us read out the lesson. So, Amar had an old ball. What does Amar had? He had an old ball. It is old and dirty. How it looks? It looks very old and it is very dirty. Dirty means not cleaned well. Okay, so he said, I will throw it in the dustbin. So he thought to throw that ball in the dustbin. Okay, he thought to throw that ball on the dustbin. So Amar threw the ball in the dustbin. So what he did, he thought to throw the ball on the dustbin. Why so? Because the ball is so old and dirty. The ball looks so old and dirty, so that Amar wants to throw that ball on the dustbin. But when he threw it in the dustbin, it bounced out of the bin and went bouncing along the street. So what happened when he threw the ball on the dustbin? It bounced back. So whenever you threw the ball, it bounced back to you. For example, if you threw the ball towards a wall, it bounced back to you. In the same way, he threw the ball on the dustbin, it bounced and it ran all over the street. It bounced all over the street. Look at this picture. It is bouncing all over the street. So what happened? A dog chased the ball. So what happened? When a dog saw that the ball is bouncing over the street, the dog started chasing the ball. The dog wanted to catch the ball. So it started chasing the ball. So it bounced over a tree. But the ball bounced over the tree. It bounced over a tree. Look at this. It is bouncing over the tree. A cat was sitting on it. It jumped off the tree and ran after the ball. After the dog, the cat was sitting on a tree. It looked at the ball and it jumped off from the tree and it started following the ball. First the dog chased the ball, after that the cat chased the ball. But the ball ran very fast. But the ball went very fast. It bouncing very fastly. The dog couldn't found it, and the cat is also couldn't find it. Why? Because the ball went very fast. So what happened next? So the ball went on bouncing until it fell into a hole. The ball is keep bouncing all over the street until it found a hole. Okay. When the hole came out of its way, it fell into that hole. and it stopped bouncing. In the afternoon, a postman picked it up. He bounced it as he went along the street, giving people their letters. But the ball bounced away from the postman. So what happened when the postman in the afternoon, the postman went out to give the letters to the people in that street. He found that ball and he used it to play with that ball. He picked the ball and he throws it. Okay, so what happened? It bounced again. It bounced again all over the street. So it bounced along the street and went inside a house through a window. See, through a window it went outside a home. It went inside a home while bouncing all over the street. The ball, what happened? The ball bounced into a house. So it was Amar's window. Through a window it came inside a house and the house belongs to Amar again. So Amar was surprised when he saw the ball again. When he saw that ball again, he was very surprised. Why? Because he threw that ball in the dustbin. But he came back to his home. So he was very surprised. This time he did not throw it in the bin. So this time he doesn't want to throw the ball in the dustbin. He washed it and cleaned it. He took it out to the playground. So what happened? This time he doesn't want to throw the ball in the dustbin. So he cleaned it and he washed it. And he took that ball to the playground. So what happened next? His friend Ravi saw the ball. And let us play with the ball, he said. What fun they had. Isn't it so funny? He took that ball to playground and his friend Ravi saw that ball and he said to him that let us play with that ball. He threw the ball but it came back. So this time he didn't throw back. He kept it with him and he cleaned it and he played with that ball along with his friend Ravi. So this is the story of Amar. So we have to keep practicing the reading part. So now I will read the lesson. You have to read along with me. Hope you understand this lesson. So now this is reading time. So you have to read the lesson with me. I will keep the pencil on the line. You also read with me. Okay. So what is the title of the lesson? Amar and the ball. Amar and the ball. So let us read. Amar had an old ball. It is old and dirty. He said, I will throw it in the dustbin. Amar threw the ball in the dustbin, but it bounced out of the bin and went bouncing along the street. A dog chased the ball. It bounced over a tree. A cat was sitting on it. It jumped off the tree and ran after the ball. But the ball went very fast. The ball went on bouncing until it fell into a hole. In the afternoon, a postman picked it up. He bounced it as he went along the street, giving people their letters, but the ball bounced away from the postman. It bounced along the street and went inside a house through a window. It was Amar's window. It was Amar's window. Amar was surprised when he saw the ball again. This time he did not throw it in the bin. He washed it and cleaned it. He took it out to the playground. His friend Ravi saw the ball. Let us play with the ball, he said. What fun they had. So children, you have to keep practicing reading lesson. So today you have to read the lesson again. Okay. So let us see. New words. What is the new word? Bounce. So understanding the text. We have to fill these blanks. There are 7 blanks that are given to us and we have to fill these blanks. Amma's ball was old and dirty. How it looks? It was old and it was dirty. Okay. So Amma threw the ball in a... Where does he throw that ball? He threw the ball in a dustbin. So a dash chased the ball. First, what chased the ball? The dog. So the ball fell into a hole. Where does the ball fall? The ball bounced back into Amma's house through what? Through a window. It bounced back to Amma's home. So see, Amma took it to the... Where does he take out the ball? To a playground. He took the ball to the playground. So Amar and his friend had a lot of fun. Amar and his friend play with the ball and had a lot of fun. Play with the ball and had a lot of fun. So see, Amma's ball was old and dirty. Amma threw the ball in a dustbin. A dog chased the ball. The ball fell into a hole. Then what happened? The ball bounced back into Amma's house through a window. Amma took it to the playground. And then Amar and his friend play with the ball and had a lot of fun. Okay. So our next section is who said these words. I will throw it in the dustbin. Who said these words? Amar. Amar said that he wants to throw the ball in the dustbin. Let us play with the ball. Who said these words? His friend Ravi. Okay, so think and answer. Why do you think the ball bounced back into Amar's house? Because Amar didn't throw the ball in a proper order. It bounced from the dustbin and it went along the street, and the postman bounced it back again. So it went through a window and it reached Amar's house again. So our next section is understanding words. See what this girl is playing. What is this game called? It is lawn tennis. It is lawn tennis. What is this game? Yes, it is basketball. What is this game? You all know this game, right? It is cricket. So what is this game? It is table tennis. So what is this game? See, football. So children, today's homework is you have to read the lesson. Okay, you have to read the lesson and you have to complete the 3 lessons textbook part up to the page number 17. Up to page number 17 you have to complete the textbook, and along with that I will keep the lesson 1 and the lesson 2 notes in our school app along with the textbook parts. Okay, so you have to complete the textbook and the CW part of the lesson 1 and the lesson 2 and the page number 15, page number 16 and 17 of lesson 3. Hope you understand the lesson. Please do complete your works and send those pictures to me. Thank you.